So it's the second time my fucking PC has done this by now. It says starting automatic repair, preparing automatic repair. And then it'll load for a second, and then it'll take me to a blue screen. So, and you click continue, and then it brings you back to the same screen. So, and it just does this boot loop forever. So what you're gonna do, okay, this is only gonna work if you have, two like hard drives or just two storage drives. For me, I have an SSD and a hard drive. So if you don't have at least two of them, this isn't gonna work. So we're gonna wait for this to go again. So you need two SSDs, two hard drives, or one of each. It doesn't really matter. At least as long as you have two of them, then this will work. Well, it'll probably work. It works for me. I don't know if it'll work for you. I hope it does. So, what you're gonna do, you get ready to spam F11. I'm just gonna start doing it now. Okay, and then click Enter Setup. You're gonna. I don't know what kind of BIOS you guys have, but for me, I have the MSI AMD BIOS. So you're gonna go to Settings. For me, you go to Settings. You click Boot. You click your hard disk properties, and then you're gonna select this. And as you can see, it's selected not my SSD, but my hard drive. My OS is installed on my SSD, not my hard drive. So what it's doing for me is, for some reason, after I click Update Windows 10, it's for some reason tries to boot Windows on the hard drive, which has nothing on it at all. So you're going to select the one that does have your OS installed on it. You're going to click the second one, and you're going to disable that. And then you're going to just, you're going to go back to your settings, click boot, and make sure the first boot option is the SSD, not the hard drive. Or whatever your OS is installed on. And then you're going to close out and save. Make sure that's alright, click yes. And then it'll try to boot again. This is probably gonna like restart like 10 times. Yeah. Don't worry about it when it does that. It just does that every time. Let's turn it back on now. It just restarted, like I said, it restarted like 8 times just now. As you can see, it doesn't say automatic repair anymore. It's gonna be, for me at least, it like turns into like a small resolution square. Let's see if it does it this time. Nope, it didn't. Alright, cool. So, as you can see, I can log in now. Cool. See? Works now. Sorry if this didn't work for you. Remember, you need 2 storage devices or this isn't gonna work. See you guys.